What's up, guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be adding a fingerprint on the Sifely lock. So first things first, guys, is you want to make sure that you have your lock set up. If you don't, I have a playlist here on the top that shows you how to add your lock. But if you don't have your lock set up just yet, go ahead and get that set up. Once it is set up, we're going to go ahead and hit that fingerprint button, and then it's going to ask us to add a fingerprint. So we'll go ahead and hit the add fingerprint. And there's different times you can do it. You can do a reoccurring, for certain days. You can do timed for just a day. We'll go ahead and just do it all time, and we'll just type in the name all, and then we'll click next. And from here, you're going to be using your thumb, okay? So we're going to use our thumb, and we're going to do it 4 times. So we'll go ahead and click start. We'll go ahead and put our thumb on there.
Operation failed.
Whoops, got to hold it on there.
Please press again.
There you go. That's once. Twice, 3, and you can see it's 3 out of 4 on here now. We're going to do it one more time.
Input successful.
And there you go. It's been input successfully, and that's how you add a fingerprint. So if you guys have any questions or any issues, definitely leave a comment. As you can see, I'm kind of glad I made some mistakes of, hey, having to hold my finger or thumb on there a little bit longer. That's a pretty common mistake. So if you guys have any questions or issues, just let me know. And if this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe. And there's more videos to come on the Sifely locks. So if you guys have any questions or issues, leave it in the comment, and I'll build out some more videos to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.